Welcome to Keyless Security. At Watchman Door, we are specialists in developing high-security access control solutions. Through your mobile device, manage and control any type of access, in person or remotely. The main entrance of your building. The elevator. The door of the house. Opening of doors for emergency services and assistance for the elderly. Showcases, display cases and retail furniture. Parking doors. Hotel doors and tourist apartments. Video intercom. The app is installed on your smartphone. After checking access in the cloud, it is connected to the product to open it. You can schedule access by time and date. Get a complete record guarantee for your peace of mind in an intelligent way. Watchman Door. Open your mind. Open new doors.